In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with TikTok. This process is super helpful if you're looking to showcase your TikTok content directly on your Wix website, enhancing your site's dynamism and potentially boosting audience engagement. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to log into your Wix account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which serves as the command center for all things related to your website. From here, look for the Edit Site button and give it a click. This will take you into the website editor, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the website editor, it's time to add the necessary functionality. Look to the left toolbar and click on Add Apps. This is where you can enrich your website with various tools and features. You'll see a search bar here too. Go ahead and type TikTok into it. From the search results, you need to select the option that says TikTok Videos and Profile Embed. This is the app that will connect your TikTok account to your Wix site, allowing you to display your content seamlessly. Once you've selected the right app, go ahead and add it to your website. Now, if you haven't installed this app before, you'll have to go through the installation process. It'll typically involve just a few clicks. Rest assured, it's straightforward. Since I've already added it to my site, I'll skip this part and focus on showing you how to set up and display your TikTok content. With the app now part of your toolbox, the next step is to head over to Add Element on your editor toolbar. This section contains everything you might want to place on your website, from images to contact forms, and now TikTok elements. Here you'll look for the App Widgets category. Inside App Widgets, you'll have options to either embed your entire TikTok profile or simply select specific TikTok videos to display. Choose what works best for your goals. Simply drag your selection over to where you want it on your web page. It's as easy as that. You can resize and move the embed to fit your design perfectly. Once everything is positioned just how you'd like it, your Wix site is now ready to prominently feature your TikTok presence. And there you have it. That's how to integrate Wix with TikTok. By following these steps, you'll create a seamless bridge between your TikTok content and your website audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment with any questions or feedback, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.